Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the system cooling policy option missing in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Sometimes the system cooling policy setting disappears from processor power management, which means you cannot control how your system cools the CPU. But don't worry, this problem can be fixed very easily using a simple command. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Now copy and paste the command into command prompt. This command is available under the description of this video. Press enter to run the command. You should see the message, the operation completed successfully. This command simply restores the hidden system cooling policy option inside Windows Power Settings. Now close command prompt and restart your computer so the change can take effect. After restarting, you should see the system cooling policy option inside Windows Power Settings. And that's it. Your missing system cooling policy setting has now been restored. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.